Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Shokz OpenSwim Pro wireless Bluetooth waterproof headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or you're having any kind of issues like that where they're not working right. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to pair them with a new device and you just want to have them forget all the old devices so you can set them up basically like they're new coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. We're going to want to turn them off and then go to our phone or whatever and make sure we forget them off of our phone because we're going to be setting these up as a new set of headphones. And then we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button on here until the LED light starts flashing red and blue, and it will say that it is pairing in the, you'll hear it say pairing in the earphone. Once that happens, then we're going to release that button and we're going to come in and we're going to press all three buttons. So the volume up, the volume down, and the multifunction button on the other earbud. Just press and hold those for 5 seconds until we hear like a sound prompt come out of the earphones again, at which point we can release the buttons. We can go ahead and then turn it off. Then you can turn your Bluetooth back on whatever device you want to pair it to, turn it back on and set it up like a brand new set of headphones.